In this video, I will be talking about non-slip liquid applied products that often promise safety and look great after you first apply them. However, they don't always work out like you planned. Let's take a look at some of the pitfalls you might run into. Number one on our list, and the most common, is that it doesn't stick. You roll it onto your steps and a month later you can peel it up in giant sheets. Why? Because the product is anti-slip and it isn't always going to be anti-peel. Number two will be surface preparation, and this usually means removing all dirty, greasy, and other products that might be coating your stairway materials. Next up on the list is going to be moisture. If your wood treads are even slightly damp, or if there's trapped water vapor below, that moisture is usually going to want to get out of there. And if it builds up enough pressure, it can create bubbles. And these bubbles will eventually pop, leaving your stairs looking like a bad science experiment. And another problem that the manufacturer's probably not going to talk about will be that some of these materials expand and contract as humidity rises and lowers. And if this happens often enough with a rigid product, something that you spray over something and it dries firm or hard, like a hard shell coating, and does not expand and contract with the materials that are expanding and contracting, then the new product that you thought was awesome because you watched a video or heard it from somebody who sounded like they knew what they were talking about on the internet, then mark my words, friend, you are going to be extremely disappointed. And this is just something I'm trying to make consumers more aware of, because in the building industry, there have been hundreds, if not thousands, of these awesome products that have ended up disappointing the people who have purchased them. And some of those products are still available today. So just beware of a quick fix that could end up damaging your entire stairway. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.